Welcome to Tuesdays on the Trail. This is our chance to share some of our favorite hikes from our travels around the world. Today we're taking you back to Seyðisfjörður, Iceland, our very first Icelandic port on last summer's Norway-Iceland cruise aboard the Emerald Princess. After 3 busy ports in Norway, we decided to skip the organized excursion and explore on our own. And the trail system around this tiny village did not disappoint. Once we tendered ashore, we strolled through town and headed toward a network of trails in the hills just south of the village. First, we followed the beautiful Fjord River, then turned east through a quiet residential area and began climbing into the hills. Now, Iceland is famous for its waterfalls, and while we didn't see any major falls on this route, the small cascades along the trail were absolutely charming. The best part? This trail was just far enough off the beaten path that we had it almost entirely to ourselves. A peaceful hike through stunning scenery. After skirting the ridgeline for a while, we descended toward farmland just outside of town, then rejoined the river and made our way back to Seyðisfjörður. But we weren't done yet. With plenty of time, we headed north of town to a short trail leading to Búðarárfoss, the area's most famous waterfall. This trail was definitely more popular with our fellow cruisers, and the climb was a little steeper, but trust us, it's worth every step. The waterfall was gorgeous, and the views back toward town and out to the Emerald Princess anchored in the fjord were unforgettable. Both hikes were easy to moderate and made our day in Seyðisfjörður truly special. For more information on this trail and others, see the links in the description below. And if you want to join us for more adventures, like and subscribe to our channel or join us at www.tezelsontheroad.com. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time on the trail.